Okay.
Present that to Abby. So I'm not rushing you, but I need to make you aware. Wait, you gotta put it in front of the camera.
What do you think?
Ooh, probably smells like other pets.
Yeah, I know. It smells a little bit like Petco, but it's for you.
You got your cat tree, honey, for your kitty. You're so excited.
Yeah. It's under the rug a little bit.
It's nice looking too. It's not.
Yeah, it's like.
And it's solid.
Solid, and it's kind of sleek. Yeah, I'm gonna try that out.
Mhm. Your little bear. You love it. What do you think of that? I wonder, would it be better if you turned it sideways or no?
Well, then she can't get in the hole.
I know, I'm just wondering how they'll get in the box, but I can move the box, I guess.
Yeah.
What do you think?
She still wants to know what's going on with that feather. Good cat. Good cat.
Oh,
You like
got a little hidey hole? Oh, I know. Good kitty. You so excited? You like it?
I had to make up for your birthday.
Little
Grandpa
owl.
told you you're getting a tree someday. There you go.
You get an owl. I mean, are you an owl? You got an owl? She's like, I'd love one, thanks.
Yeah. Let's put it right up there.
What do you think about that?
Yeah. How do you get up there? Let's check it out.
You know, if you did turn it, she would be able to get in there and she'd actually be able to just crawl in. Oh, mechanic?
Yeah. Checking it out, Abby?
Maybe
Like
she
Abby's
likes
gonna use it with that facing that
I
way.
just don't want her to. Well, she could go around that pillar and then right in. She's a smart dog. Abby, get in your box. Get in your box.
Get in your box to see if it works out.
Abby, get in your box. Hey, come in your box. Come on. Good girl. Get in your box. She was like, what do you mean, good girl? I'm busy.
Well, what do I know?
You need something up there, too? You're never happy, cat. She said, we got to do something else here. I'm not sure what, but...
Right. I think I need to be taller.